still broke, even though you swore this month would be different? You didn't blow your money. You just never built a system that works, even when life goes sideways. Most people sabotage their savings without even realizing it. But once I saw what I was doing wrong, I couldn't unsee it. Today, I'll show you the $5 habit that finally made me consistent, and the brain trick that finally made saving stick. The 3-step saving system, no budget needed. Step 1. Pay yourself first. Pick a flat amount, $5, $10, whatever works for you, and make it the first thing that leaves your account every week. Not what's left over after bills. This is how you start building real consistency. When you pay yourself first, you're saying I matter too. You're saving for something you need or want, and that's not selfish. That's smart. You come first, that's how you build a habit that actually lasts. Step 2. Automate it. Set up an auto transfer to a separate savings account. No thinking. No forgetting. Just set it and let it run in the background. It's like building a safety net in the background while you live your life. If you can use a bank that's a little harder to access, even better. Quick question, have you ever tried automating your savings before? Or are you still doing it manually? Drop a quick auto or manual in the comments. I'm really curious how most people handle it. Step 3. Name the goal. Here's the part no one talks about. Name your savings account. Instead of generic savings, call it Thailand trip, debt-free fund, or peace of mind. When it has a name, it has a purpose. And when it has a purpose, you'll protect it. When your brain connects saving to something meaningful, it's easier to stay motivated and harder to touch it. What would you name your savings? What if I fall off? You're going to miss a week. You're going to forget, get hit with a surprise bill, or feel like giving up. That doesn't mean you failed. It means you're human and you're still in the game. This isn't about being perfect. It's about proving something to yourself over time. Every $5 transfer is a vote for who you're becoming. Not someone trying to save, but someone who does. You don't need to get it right every time. You just need to keep coming back to the system. 'Cause this is how you stop starting over. Quick win challenge. Build your first proof. Here's your challenge. Pick your amount, $5, $10, and set up your savings system today. Then name the account. Something that matters to you. Drop it in the comments, I'll cheer you on. This isn't about saving big. It's about proving you can save it all. That's how momentum starts, and you just took the first step. Protect the habit. But here's the truth. Starting is easy. Keeping your savings going, especially when life gets messy, that's where most people fall off. I used to build momentum and then sabotage it without realizing. So in the next video, I'll show you how to protect your savings habit and make it unstoppable. Subscribe to our channel if you're ready to start saving on your own terms. And comment the name of your new savings account. I'd love to see what you're building.